Hello learners, welcome to our session today. I am your instructor, CPA Aringo Frederick. In our session today, we are going to look at a topic, or rather a unit known as financial management. A very important unit in our syllabus, a very important unit in our course, and also a very important unit in our career. So, looking at financial management, just as that word suggests, why are we doing accounts? Simply, we are doing accounts or finance at least to enable us to get that knowledge, concepts that we can assist to solve financial problems when it comes to practical world. That's why we are doing finance. So looking at this concept of financial management, what will it entail? What will you be expected to know? As at the end of this unit, what are the main objectives that you should achieve? So, I want us to break down what will be expected to cover when you're looking at financial management, so that anytime you're handling it, you should always be having a mind that this is a very practical unit. So to start with topic number 1, what will you be expected to cover under topic number 1? We will be expected to understand the whole overview of financial management, what it entails, what financial management entails, what is the purpose of us studying financial management and all that. So in this case, we'll be talking about overview of financial management, overview of financial management, key element that we should understand. Now, topic number 2, we will be expected to cover, it should be upon us to understand the financing decision. So talk about the financing decision. This is what will be expected to cover under topic number 2, financing decision. Topic number 3, what will also be expected to cover will be the aspect to do with financial institutions and markets. Financial institutions and markets. So you'll find that these are very key, and the first 3 topics, ideally, these one are purely theoretical. Just a matter of introducing us to financial management. Now, talk of topic number 4. In this case, it will be upon us now to start understanding the whole concept of money. So we'll be talking about time value of money. And the concept behind time value of money, my good students, will just be looking at a case whereby you'll find that, like, take a very good example. Some years back, should it call it Moi regime, right? A loaf of bread, you could find a loaf of bread at 12 shillings, at 10 shillings, right? But today, the same loaf of bread, you're purchasing it at 50 shillings. So, if we are to measure the value of money by then, to date, what will be the impact? Meaning that we normally say that better you give me my cash today than you give me my cash tomorrow. Because probably tomorrow, the value of that money will have reduced, for example. So, a money received today is better than what I'm going to receive tomorrow. So, this is what you are looking at, or rather the concept that we'll be looking at it under time value of money. Also, it will be very important for us to talk about valuation models. Topic number 5. When you're talking about the concept of valuation models, these are valuation models. We will be expected to understand the aspect of the theories of valuation of assets. We'll be expected to cover the aspect of when you're talking of shares, right? It's all about valuation of the company as a whole. We'll also be looking at aspects to do with economic value added, the aspect of EVA. We'll be talking of the aspect of market value added. So it's a very interesting bit. When you read there, we'll cover it. Very important concept. The aspect of valuation models that you normally tend to use. And also part of this case, this one is also, a majority of it is purely theoretical. So you'll find that it just be a matter of us introducing and understanding some theories which will explain that. Then talk about topic number 6. Topic number 6, in this case, we'll be talking about cost of capital. Cost of capital. Cost of capital will be our topic number 6, cost of capital. It will be very important for us to understand this. So you'll find that, let me have this one valuation model, that is theory, where I'm having asterisks. It will indicate that these are very important topic. So time value, where we do have asterisks, it indicates the level of importance of these topics in this unit of ours. So we're talking about cost of capital, very key for us to understand. Topic number 7, it will be upon us to understand the concept to do with capital budgeting decisions. Capital budgeting decisions. Capital budgeting decisions. A very important and key concept. A very important and key concept, which by the way will also assist us when it comes to practical manner. Topic number 8, it will be very key for us to understand financial analysis and forecasting. Financial analysis and forecasting. Financial analysis and forecasting. Financial analysis and forecasting. This is a point whereby we'll be talking about the aspects of to do with ratios analysis. In this case, what are the ratios that we normally tend to have? How are they important to us? So that one will be covering it under financial analysis and forecasting. Then talk about topic number 9. Topic number 9, we'll be talking about working capital management. Working capital management. We'll be talking about working capital management. Also a very interesting bit, and it's quite simple. It's not that hard. So long as we just open our mind wide, you'll find it to be very interesting. You'll find it to be very, very interesting. Then now we should talk about topic number 10. In this case, we'll be talking about dividend decision. Dividend decision. Topic number 11, my good students, we'll be talking about the aspect to do with introduction to risk and return. Introduction to risks and return. Introduction to risks and return. Because larger part of it, we normally cover it at advanced level. We normally tend to cover it at advanced level. That is topic number 11. And of course, topic number 12, it will be important for us to talk about Islamic finance. Islamic finance. Also very key. I know as at now, we have that idea that if you go to a Muslim bank, like in this case, they normally term it as what? They normally don't take the aspect of what? The aspect of interest, right? The aspect of interest, riba. They don't take riba. So this is what will be expected to cover under financial management, and it will be very key for us to understand each and every concept here. So analyzing this, you'll find that the first part, these one are purely theoretical, very theoretical, and very important. You'll find that also from the aspect of dividends decisions, also this one is very theoretical. Talk about the aspect of Islamic finance, that one is also part of theory. So the theory parts, we'll be talking about this topic. It will be purely theoretical, so we'll devise a way of covering it quickly. Talk about the first 3 topics that are also very theoretical. We'll also devise a way to cover the same. And also when we'll be looking at evaluation models, we'll find that this one is also very theoretical. So we'll devise a way of working it out. So the areas that we need to be very key in, and also actually this one is also very theoretical. So we are talking of how many topics to be theory? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of the 12 topics that we do have, we have 6 topics which are very theoretical. So the area of our interest is not that we are saying that we are going to ignore the theory part, because that one is also very important. So our area of interest will be having these 6 topics, which are calculations part, topic 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are purely calculations, and it will be very key for us to understand the whole things very careful. And looking at this case at the same time, on the theory part, on the calculations part, the most important topics that if you grasp that will give us a foundation of what will be expected to cover in financial management will be, we'll have to talk of the time value of money. That one is very key. That is a must topic that by the end of this course, you must understand the concept of time value of money. That is very important. That is very important. Talk about the aspect to do with cost of capital. That one is also very key that you must grasp. You must grasp the aspect to do with, you have to understand and grasp it very well, the aspect to do with the cost of capital. So these are what we'll be covering. These are what we'll be covering. This is what will be expected to cover as at the end of this course. So after doing all this analysis and what will be expected to know and have it in mind, after doing all this analysis, my good students, I want us to jump and I want us to dive into our first topic, whereby it will be a matter and very important for us to understand the whole overview of financial management, the whole overview of financial management. So to this point, let us meet in the next session whereby we are going to start with topic number 1. This is our analysis of what will be expected to cover. So now let us meet in our next session whereby we are going to introduce topic number 1. Thank you so much, and let us meet in the next session. Thank you.